Sweet. Okay. Testing, testing. 1, 2. Hey everyone, what's up? Albin here again. New season, boys. Oh, it feels so good. I have seshed League of Legends the last 6 weeks. I've probably got like 500 games in. I have no life. But yeah, I've been absolutely smashing it. I joined, did my placement games in the previous split. I think it was split 3 of the season just expired. And I managed to get into Gold 2. I then kept on playing, and it got worse. So I ended up going all the way down to Silver 4, and over the last week, I have climbed back up to I climbed back up to Gold 1. So I did improve after a massive period of where I degraded in terms of quality. So there you go. So Gold 1, not too shabby. Okay, I should do some skullduggery. First game, let's go. Let's do this. They have a Blitzcrank. Okay, so the map looks kind of cool. There's like a darkened theme. I think these flowers didn't exist before. A lot more kind of vines. Towers look pretty sweet. Limber. Limber, limber, limber. Oh. First Blood's obviously a huge thing. I'm probably going to go in this bush. Got the nerves, the ranked nerves. This feels like it is wider. I don't think they have changed the map though, other than cosmetically. And obviously the towers and the minions. But you know what I mean, like in terms of the dimensions. Okay, missed that poke. He's got fleet-footed, so he's going to heal up, which is a bit of a pain in the backside. So he does kind of neutralize there. Oof. And I noticed actually it was strange, when I was streaming yesterday, my FPS went down a fair bit, so I'm not quite sure why. My PC should be able to handle this. I'm just gonna get in his face. Press the attack and then get an empowered Q. Lovely. Should just charge up my passive stacks. And I can jump, ignite, kill. He did start the ring. Nice, we got first blood. Just ignite him there, force him back. Got him. Whew. Nice. That's the start you want. Oh yeah, you do way more damage. The damage reduction's gone down. I think it was 85% to 50%. So if in that scenario, you basically did nothing to the tower. Now you do somewhat. I got an Echo Jungle, so... Shit, I need to get out of this. There's a lot of poke damage. Need to stay on him. Shit, Echo's here. Jump out of that. Okay, I'm dead. Yeah, map awareness does not exist. He's shoving in, that's not good. Please don't call me Mac Daddy. Zero awareness. Not good at all. See if I can pick up a control ward and run back. Luckily he doesn't have a... Oh nice, Trundle's there to press him back. And we got his ghost. That's very nice. Good job, Trundle. Saved my ass a little bit without shoving that in completely, so... I'm going to pick up a... Actually, in fact, all of this. Yes. Get the cannon! Noish. Very nice. He's currently fighting the Echo. I think he wins that if his W's up. I don't know if he's running Lethal Tempo or not. But Echo does do a surprising amount of damage. I need to try and slow push this if possible. Or I can even freeze it. So then I can run down the Susan. Okay, well, he has got a shove going towards him, so you can just chill. Ooh, get these blood things. I don't even know exactly what they do. But collect one nonetheless. Okay. He's not respecting my authority, although he can just pop a wither. Can I get another Q poke? Okay, good chuck to spear. That's good. And I get the cannon. Lovely jubbly. Potion in the right place. I don't know where this echo is. I should probably go and ward. I'm going to ward the river. Got to control. See, that poke is actually... Okay, nice. He's definitely dead now. He can't stay. I'm just going to pop a potion here. The Wither is disgusting. I survive. Okay, good. Calculated. Please don't call me Mac Daddy. Yo, what's up? Thanks for the follow. Whoever you may be. I need actually... Oh, crap. Wasn't paying attention. Don't get tower shot. Nice. I still haven't got my follows and stuff all sorted out, so I can't actually see who joined. I need to sort the alerts out at some point. Okay, I'm just trolling here. I need to go back. Actually, I could probably save this Victor. No, I just need to go back. No, I'm going in. Nice. Okay, well, I'm going to lose some CS in lane. But, got another kill. So, you can get maybe 2 plates here, which isn't great, considering he's a farmy boy. Probably should have gone for the boots instead of that sword, but hey, extra damage is extra damage, eh? All good, thank you. How are you? I'm really surprised he's not going for this. He's probably on Void Grubs. I know he's respecting. I don't think he realized I ulted. Okay, we're trading drag for grubs. And I know he's top now, so we're top side. Luckily my control ward is helping with the vision. I just have to open my eyes. Okay, the echoes appeared mid, so... Unfortunately, my lane is pushing towards the Dogman. The man dog. I need to kind of zone him from the XP as best as I can, even though the range has increased. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I still want to get the CS. I don't exactly know what kind of ratio of me getting the gold to him losing XP is worth it, if that makes sense. I know he's level 6 now, so his ghost is up in 10 seconds. He can level 6 me here. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna preemptively pop my potion. Get the cannon! Oh, damn it. Run out of his E. Oh, nice, that hit. The Q range is deceptively long. Come on, and the last one. Noish. Oh, crap, okay. I really wanted to push him back there, and he can just TP back in because it's up, so... Just got a base. I can't, alright. I need to get more CS, I can get the Eclipse. Such a huge power spike. I can ult back after if I need to. Good question. I've only just recently restarted streaming, so the games that I'm going to be doing mostly is League and World of Warcraft, probably. And if anything else tickles my fancy. So, we shall see. I need to just jump on him here. See if I can bait a Wither out. I think Echo's mid-side, is he? Don't know. I'm actually going to go... Yeah, he goes mid. Oof. Okay. He's gone here. He's a goner. He hasn't got ult. Oh, he's going to heal up from that. I shouldn't do anything here. I'm just going to go back. Get the Eclipse. Come back way stronger. Get the boots. And I'm going to grab a potion as well. I'm a big fan of potions. Allows you to be way more kind of sustainable in combat, which is always a bonus. Gotta go help my Trundle, even though he wins, I think. Yeah. Shit, the Talia's here as well. Come on! No! Ah, oh, man. My cooldowns were just that. I could have W'd her and killed her. Nah, burnt her flash. That's a lot of shutdowns. We could definitely got the Susan's Ghost. I need to go Merc Treads here, I think. The CC is just too strong. Ooh. I'm just gonna get a few plates here. Luckily, that was just in case. I was gonna say just in time. But with slow from and the stun from Echo, the slow from Talia. I can't do anything here. I am running in though. Yeah, the Victor winning. 3v2. Nice, got it. Did not expect the Wild Pantheon to be there. Turn this around. Okay, nice. She knocked me away. Okay, good. I don't know what I got then. I got one of them. Yeah, okay, so I stopped them getting 5, which is very nice. I'm just going to take this because the Trundle's going bot sides. Dragon, which is very much appreciated. And get the fruit plant thing. Okay, we're in a very good situation here. I'm gonna get this play. I'm gonna jump into that so I can get a bit closer. Uh-oh! That was not calculated. I'm in a now worse position. I can run down here and get the other fruit though. And then I can fly back in. So I think I can. Is this another one here? Have they changed this? Okay, no, it's the other one. So Nasus can definitely kill me now if he is so inclined. Although I do have Ignite, but I think all he needs to do is bonk him on the head a few times, and then that's not particularly great. So little green dots are the new plants by the looks of it then. How is he farming? Is equal to me. I'm gonna... Yeah, whatever. That's a close game. He hasn't... He's got boots, which is pretty filthy, but he hasn't got his Triforce yet. Make sure I get that. He might be able to dive me here.
Enemy double kill.
Nice, that was a good little trade. They might dive me here. Okay, that's his Wither. I'm going to trade onto him now. Kind of Maybe my cooldowns, the bot is coming here now. Come on. Q! No, okay, no, alright. Okay. I messed up big time there. I was spamming E when it was on cooldown. If I just Q'd, I would have killed him. Oh, that was such a bad misplay. Blame the cold hands, guys. Blame the cold hands. That wasn't good. That wasn't good. I'm not going to buy that potion, actually. It's a bit too late now. It's not, but it kind of is. I think they're just going to kill me here. Yeah.
An ally has been slain.
They're going to get first... no, okay, first tower's already theirs, yeah. I'm not going to bother ulting in. That was a complete misplay by me. God damn it. I was so focused on getting the E, man. So focused on getting my barrier up against his Q. I knew it was coming, but I was like half a second off the cooldown pop in, and all I had to do was just... I had my empowered Q, and it would have just completely fried him and toasted him, but... I want in on the action here. Nice. He'd have to ult. I have to go top lane now and defend the tower. But I'm already halfway there, which is good. Play Jax, please. I'm not really that great at Jax, to tell you the truth, buddy. I've just been focusing on my Pantheon gameplay mostly, for what it's worth. Jax is an interesting character. I do like him. I haven't really picked him up for ages though. So, okay, we can 100% get this Susan here. There's the Q. Okay, now this. Okay, nice. Damn it. Come on, please, someone. Nice. I don't think I get the Talia here, we should do a shove. How did I get damaged by that? It's insane. Okay, I'm just gonna shove top in. Yeah, Jax isn't the character or champion I'm not particularly comfortable with, to tell you the truth, dude. I want to try and get a way higher placement than I did before, so hopefully I can skip some of the grind. So I think I'm just gonna try hard Pantheon, who's probably my most comfortable champion top lane at the moment. Followed by maybe Nasus. Mori kind of not playing particularly great. This will be my first game. Man, so close to getting Black Cleaver. I want to greed, but I'm literally 1 Q away from dying, so I have to be sensible here and go back. I might just sell the Doran's. I'm selling the Doran's Blade. Black Cleaver is so strong as well. Not that they're building much. Well, he's got 1 cloth. Man, he's out for blood. If this guy stays, I might ult in, but he can just probably ghost. The tower's down. I don't need to ult. One of the things I need to really focus on this season is... See it? Wait. Another Q. Boom! I wait for him to pop his ultimate and then pop the ignite. Because I think his ultimate empowers... I mean, I should know this. His ultimate empowers his leech passive. Spirit Leech, I think it's called. I really should turn it for Dragon here. Oh man, we've got 4 of them down. They don't actually need me. Trundle's going to melt through that. So I'm just going to keep shoving. Apply more pressure here. Damn it, missed that CS, okay. Nice, okay. One more attack again. Now I'm going to run away. Nice. There's that boot upgrade thingamabob. They're collapsing on our Trundle. Okay, this wild Susan appeared from nowhere. Must have TP'd in for it. Okay, he got away. I've just got a base here. I want to attack these. Because they give you stuff, I think. Okay, they're going to get on mid lane, but... Ooh, that's actually huge. Taking magic damage from a champion, gain magic shield. Yes, please. And they look pretty dope as well, man. I'm a fan of these boots. Get some vision down. They cleared my last ward. I think I'm gonna go spear this game. Ooh, run, Natalia. Nice. Very, very nice. Oh yeah, that new guy is alive. They're on it now. Corky in there. Fuck, I'm not used to, obviously, well, no one's used to it because it's the first game, first day, and my first game. Can you go away? Oh my god. Man, that guy's hustling down. What? Oh, Bard's just doing Bard stuff. Actually, do you know what? I can get a good Q off here. Oh, you shouldn't have done that, Susan. Nice, 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 nice. Come on, Talia, flying. Oh, she flew in. Oh, crowd into the Corky there. Holy crap. Don't do it. Okay. Man, I don't know how much damage this guy does, man. Twitch is just running away. He's got blood in his mind. God, it's games like this you get pumped, man. Yeah, man, I know. I've literally just come back to League myself. It's literally my first game of this new season, so... I mean, the start of a new season is always a good time to come back to a game, right? Because you're kind of the same as everybody else. You're kind of new. Like everybody is. No one has any idea what the hell is going on, really. Obviously, the fundamentals don't change, but it's probably the best time. Item reworks, people don't necessarily know what works well, and champs have been changed somewhat, you know, so there's a lot of flexibility there. So, man, definitely jump yourself back in. I had that kind of itch because I hadn't played it for years, and then a few months back, being back in the UK, I decided, you know what, let's fire up League again. Have that itch where I want to become. I'm just gonna focus here. I don't want to get. Actually, I can fight this. Okay, that pull is actually really good. Yeah, he had his ult on that. Not sure I can do here. Yeah, okay, I wasted my flash. That was terrible, but I cooked his ult with it. I don't know why I flashed. Oh, I got the Blitzcrank ult as well. This is still a really competitive game. Like, we're kind of going tit for tat. Both carries are quite strong. Our Twitch is on a shutdown, which is nice. Trundle's going to pick up top. Let's just go mid. Drag us up. Oh, it's Soul as well. Okay, we have to contest this. DB, are you a were you a Jax player then? If you haven't played for a year, were you top lane mostly, or did you jungle Jax? Or were you just interested to see him being played? Flash. Man, it takes me ages to find out the I'm flying in. What? His ultimate's up again? Are you kidding me? Nice. Okay, cool. Nice. That was huge. Talia just inted. Ooh, this is massive. Just gotta keep our Twitch up. He's actually popping up in that bot lane. Oh yes. We're in a very good position now. Baron spawned. I actually like the new timers. This game does feel like it's... I don't know. It feels paced out a bit more, but well, paced out, but also a bit more relentless. I.e., there's more stuff to do, so you're kind of constantly going between different objectives, more so than you were last season. Yeah, I get that, man. When you've been destroyed by one champion so much, you're like, no. What? What is this champ? Why is it so broken? Did you just press your face against the keyboard and win? Like, what is this? I know she hasn't got a flash, so when I've got mine up, I'm going to jump on her face. Man, it happens to me all the time. I'm like, this champion's disgusting. Let me in on the brokenness. And then you play it and you can never seem to do as good as the people that you played against. Okay. Got baited. Come on! Oh, baby! Hell yeah! I'm not gonna lie, right? I did not see myself doing that at all. That is insane. Mate, that shield from my shoes. Definitely getting Merc Treads in this game. That tenacity. That's just game. What does this one do again? Okay, yeah, I thought it had a lot of healing. That popped off though. That was huge. Yo, good job. Man, the stars aligned for that double. I swear, man. My Ignite was up. I didn't even flash. I thought I flashed that. That's what I was waiting for. I didn't expect the Bush Echo, though. No one expects the Bush Echo. Coming from nowhere. I'm going to go Hex this game as well, actually. Because they have a lot of magic damage, so that double shield's pretty strong. We should be able to shred this. Although, yeah. I have ult for like a backwards flank, if needed. I need to mess around with my settings after this game. Nice, okay, there's Nash. Man, I'm just gonna hard engage. We're going in. See, I'm kind of lagging somewhat.
Double kill.
Yo! Damn it. Okay, well, I got the carry and support out of the game basically, so that kill would have been nice.
Has destroyed an
But these inhibs look dope. You got Susan Rage splitting top. Love to see it. He has to come back though, yeah, he's realised. Just gonna focus on the towers. Chuck a spear. Get an assist. Lovely. Oh shit. The Blitzcrank got him! Don't knock us into it. Jeej. Alright, good. Off to a great start, John. Wait, that's sweet double as well. Oofed. Huge oofed.